Hi guys! So today we're diving into the world of Korean snacks for the very first time. So we went to a Korean grocery store here in Toronto called Galleria.
The store is not too big. I think it's a medium size. This was like closest to our house, so we chose this.
Because we both are vegetarian, we want to make sure that these snacks are also vegetarian.
Yeah, I'm just excited for wafers. If you know me, you know how much I love a good pack of wafers. Oh, I don't know.
We have a bunch of things in our basket now.
Let's go and try them then.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, so we got like a nice combination of savory stuff, sweet, drinks. We wanted to give everything a try. Yeah, we also tried to stick to some flavors or some things that we were more familiar with.
Yeah.
These ones, I think they're very popular. Yeah, so these are turtle chips.
Yeah.
And they have like a lot of flavors also.
Yeah,
they have so many flavors. And we got seaweed flavor. You are the chips lover in this house, so do the honors.
I would love to. It's like a turkey mac.
You got this.
1 hour later.
Finally! Seaweed is a flavor I've never tried in my life. Have you?
Yeah, it's a very popular Asian flavor and is used in like a lot of different ways also.
Yeah.
See, they have some layers.
Cheers. Oh. Very crunchy.
Yeah, so light.
And it like dissolved in my mouth. I like it.
Yeah, it's so good. Yeah, and it's something that you can have like a lot in one go.
I see what the hype is about.
Yeah.
I like it.
A bit more, please.
Okay, so we have to do another one, otherwise we will fill our stomachs with this one only.
How much would you rate it?
Oh, I want to say 8.
Oh, I'll rate it a 10. I really like it.
So the next one we have is honey butter chip.
This was her choice.
Yeah, this I saw a lot of people said that you should definitely try it. This is sweet honey flavor. The packaging is like very
matte. Yeah, I don't think I've had many sweet flavored chips in my life. So I'm really excited for this one. Oh, it smells like honey.
Yeah.
Cheers. Nice, it has very mild flavor.
I taste the butter.
Yeah, I think the honey, the sweetness of it. It's very mild. Can't have a lot of them in one go.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Because the wafer itself is light, but the butter flavor gets a bit too heavy.
I think I'm gonna rate this like a 6 or 7.
Yeah, same.
Right? Yeah.
It's good, but like I can't have too much of it in one go.
Next.
Are you ready?
Oh my god. Okay, I don't like spicy things. I can't handle my spice at all.
I can't handle a lot of spice, like mild. Better than her, definitely.
Yeah. I'm like scared. Oh, nice.
That smells spicy. Well, you get an idea of what you're going into.
So it says it's super hot chili, strong potato chips. I don't know why we're doing this to ourselves,
but it would be super hot.
Here's one for the team.
I can have more of it.
Yeah, there's a little bit of kick, like I can feel it in the back of my throat a little bit, but not as scary as I thought it was.
But also a bit of a sweetness also in it. I won't say it's like completely chilly.
Yeah,
I really like them. Yeah, it's a 10 for me.
9. So, okay, that's good.
Yeah.
I'm so excited for this one. I love baked goods. I love sweet stuff.
Yeah, plus it's bun with like custard cream. We haven't had anything with custard cream flavor for so long. So I'm really excited for this too.
This is what the
cute.
bun looks like. It's like a cloud.
It's like a ball.
Yeah. Okay.
I was hoping for more of a filling.
Yeah, so it's more like bread compared to the custard. But let's taste it.
Nice.
I took a bite of the custard part. Oh, so good.
Yeah, I took a bit of a custard and a bit of a bread because I wanted to like mix the taste up a bit.
The custard part is really good.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't say it's like very different from other snacks.
So it's just their version of it, but you find it everywhere.
See how the photo is? It looks like the bread is going to be a thin layer and the custard is going to be the main part. That's not the
compared
case.
to that.
Yeah.
A bit misleading, but still tasty.
I'll rate it a 7 because I've had better custard.
Yeah, I was thinking
bread
6.
stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so now let's move on to the candies.
Okay.
Which one do you want to try first?
Maybe pepper? So this is like the Korean version of Pocky. If you've tried Pocky, I think this is going to be very similar to that. This one is the #1 brand in Korea, so I was like ready to grab it. It was also on a lot of lists of like must try Korean snacks, so we had to get one.
Yeah, let's see if it's completely same as Pocky or there's some difference.
Okay, and we got the cookies and cream flavor.
Yeah.
Oh,
looks the same.
Yeah. Cheers. Same as Pocky.
Yeah, I think it's the flavor. Very nice. I like it a bit better than Pocky though.
At Pocky, we've only tried the chocolate flavor.
The cookie stick is a bit thick in Pocky. This one's a bit more lighter and fluffy. I like this one better. It's good, but not something I'm trying for the first time.
Yeah.
So maybe a 7.
Yeah, 7, 8. That's what I think too. Milky. So I've never tried this again. This was also
like
not on the list.
candy or something. Because the box doesn't really give away.
Yeah.
What's gonna be inside.
So let's see. Okay. It's like toffees. So it's just like a plain white
hard candy.
Yeah. Cheers. Very chewy though.
I see the name Milky. So it's like a milk candy, I think.
I'll say this is a 5.
Maybe a 5. Yeah.
Okay, I still have it stuck in my teeth.
We need something to drink now.
Yeah. Maybe let's have this one. So this is caramel macchiato. So it's like a coffee style drink, and then the flavor is caramel macchiato. It had like other flavors as well.
Yeah. Really cute packaging, very like jungle theme and all. I really like those packaging.
Smells like coffee.
Yeah.
Cheers.
I do like it.
It's watery.
It's concentrated now.
It's taking away from the experience.
Yeah, because they've used milk powder in this.
Oh.
Probably that could also be a reason, right? Yeah, I was expecting it to be better with the packaging and all.
Yeah. 4, 5?
Yeah, 5. I wasn't sure what this is because everything's written in a different language. There's a picture of a lemon and a banana. So I assumed this was lemon and banana flavored candies, and we just got these. So they're like bright yellow color. Oh, it's like soft. Minus banana. There's some dark yellow, light yellow, and white ones.
That's so funny. Both got banana.
Very mild flavor.
Yeah.
Nice. So like exactly what I thought it would be.
Like Tic Tac would be.
Exactly. Maybe an 8 is not like a best snack out there. It's just like a easy, quick to eat.
But then we have...
So we have these two things. Very traditional Korean things.
Yeah.
We have vegan kimchi and...
This is like rice cake, but how would you say that?
Tteokbokki.
So with kimchi...
I think it's used as a side.
Oh, it says it's a side dish, as a topping, or a cooking ingredient.
It's like very airtight bag.
And we got the vegan one because the other one had shrimp in it. Yeah.
It has a very strong smell.
Oh, yeah.
It's basically just Napa cabbage with some seasonings and all.
Is it spicy? What's the flavor? It says mild vegan. This is also gluten-free, keto-friendly, no added MSG synthetic, vegan, no added chemical preservatives, so quite healthy. Cheers! Oh!
It has a... I think it's the vinegar.
Vinegar, yes.
Yeah, it's that taste, right?
The kick of the vinegar is
very strong. I think... But I say that you can have it with like bland food.
Yes.
Have it as a side. It would add that flavor and kick to it.
Okay, so this is Milky's. And this is a cream soda, Korea's #1 cream soda, peach flavor. Again, they had a lot of flavors, so we went with peach with something different. So no caffeine, no preservatives, no corn syrup. So again, feels like it's gonna be a little bit healthier. Already dropped it.
Well, it's a bit frizzy, so
I don't know. This does not look appealing at all. Cheers. Ooh.
Yeah, it's nice.
I like it.
Yeah.
It has that fizziness and definitely...
I feel like it would definitely be good on a hot summer day.
Like the peach flavor is also very strong. Oh, we forgot to rate kimchi though.
Oh yeah.
So...
Okay, how much would you rate it? are vegan kimchi.
Maybe a 7 or 8.
Yeah, I would say an 8 because the flavor was exactly what I was expecting it to be.
Yeah.
And it's said to be used as a side dish.
Yeah.
It felt like a very side dish.
Yeah. And then this one, cream soda, peach flavor. I really liked it. I'm gonna say like a 9 or a 10.
Yeah, 9.
Like on a hot summer day, this would be 10. Absolutely hands down. And like,
But cold.
Okay, nice.
Cute packaging also.
I like it. I like it.
Now we're left with the last thing.
Which is one of like the most popular Korean things. So let's heat it up and we'll be right back. Okay, so we've warmed it up and it looks very spicy.
Hopefully it won't be. Yeah, these rice cakes were like very hard when we put them here, but now they've become really soft.
Soft, yeah. Cheers.
Like the sauce is kind of spicy, but
It's not too overwhelming.
The sauce that's giving it flavor.
Yeah.
Rice cake itself seems like very bland. But it's something like very different to what I've ever had before.
I don't know. Let us know in the comments if you have to just wait for a while for the rice cake to absorb the sauce. Maybe that's when we have it.
It's hot.
I don't know. I'm not a fan of it. I'm gonna say 6.
Yeah, maybe a 5 for me. Overall, it was like a good haul.
Yeah, I like all these different things. This is nice, like we've never tried before.
Yeah.
And we found some new favorites.
I'm gonna pick this one.
Really?
Yeah, I
Not
was
the
expecting
turtle
it
chips.
to be much spicier, but they weren't. But they are flavorful. I like these two, but compared to both of them,
Yeah.
this is a bit higher
Okay.
for me.
I have a tie of 2 things. So the turtle chips and the cream soda.
Alright, so that was really exciting trying all these Korean snacks for the very first time.
And if you guys enjoyed watching us trying these snacks, do give this video a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to Lens of Saika for more videos.
And until then, bye!